On Saturday, a man took a shotgun into a Maryland mall and shot 2 employees of a skate paraphernalia store before also shooting himself. Police searched the home of Darian Marcus Aguilar, who killed himself with a 12-gauge Mossberg shotgun inside Zoomies after shooting dead Brianna Benlolo and Tyler Johnson, who both worked at the shop. But it's the behavior of this mysterious bystander which has caught some people's attention. While Chief Bill McMahon of the Howard County Police was answering questions from the press, this guy with glasses and a scarf can be seen trying to get some FaceTime with the news camera. His antics were noticed by Joe Concha at the website Mediaite, who laments, "Are we really that immune to indiscriminate violence?" The answer is an emphatic yes. As this New York Times chart shows, since the Sandy Hook massacre a year ago, on balance the country has loosened access to guns. Although, to be fair, no state in the Union would have restricted access by a 19-year-old with no criminal record to buy a shotgun, as was the case in Saturday's shooting. The stats show that the American response to violence is to act sad but do nothing. So, while everyone else was in gun violence grief stage 1, acting sad, Scarf Dude was on gun violence grief stage 3, I'm over it. Too soon, man.